Oh, di ko muli kay Wow.
Silent your voice.
Wow, dyan kay puro quarantine. Diba, quarantine dire ate. 14 days niya, 7 days sa balay.
Hello, Kia. How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow, that's great. It's good to hear that you're fine. And
Yes,
so,
sige,
oh my
sige.
God.
Nagtudlo si Ann.
Inaya na.
Ah,
Inaya ra din. Okay.
wala.
Okay. Doing good night. Very fast. Oh, I love your t-shirt.
There is
Yeah, I love your t-shirt. Yes, of course.
dinosaur.
Yeah, Kayo, I love your t-shirt. That one.
Wala, ipauli na ko.
Yeah, it's a dinosaur t-shirt.
Wow, who gave that to you?
I don't know.
It's your mom
My
who bought
mother
it?
or my father.
Yeah, it's your mom who bought it?
I don't know.
Wow, but I love it, Kayo. It's so nice. I love the color. It's color yellow.
Oh yes, my mom bought it.
Okay, here. So now we are already in task 3, cat extra. Okay, I will, so we have 1,121 and 48 bonus. 1,121 and 48 bonus. Okay? Okay, so you got 1,121. Wow, very good. Okay, now Kayo, I have here different
Teacher.
kind. Yeah. You will go out?
Now I will take my pencil case
Okay.
out.
Okay, I will also wear my jacket for a while.
Wow. Wow.
Okay?
Wala man. Nagbayad ang pagkukuya. Kulang ng 5,000. Kulang ng 5,000 pa kung utang.
So we have here, Kayo. Can you see that one? We have here some vocabulary words. Now,
Lagi ko utang ni mama, 200,000.
we have here without, transport, bus, camping, pocket,
Mao.
socks, and art class. Okay, you understand the word without?
Yes,
Oh yeah. How about transport?
Bayad naman ako, kuya.
I know transport. Like the wood, water to the stem,
Bayad ako na.
Bus.
stem transport water to the leaf and flower.
Yeah, how about camping?
Camping, I know camping.
Okay, how about pocket?
Tingko na dyan nabilin.
I know
Pocket.
bucket.
Naman ko na bayad.
Socks. You know what is socks?
I know socks.
And art class.
I know art class.
Okay, wow, that's very good of you. Now, Kayo, I have here the same thing you are going to do. Please try to answer this correctly, okay?
Okay.
Okay, you answer and please try to look at here correctly. Okay, so I will hide my face so you can answer properly. Okay, please make it perfect kayo. Okay?
Okay.
Dugay lagi balikan kasi papukaw ng kabalik bibra. Oh. Siyempre. Makabulan niya, mayroon na ko sa balay pati hindi makabulan. Mayroon lang kaya ikuan pa. Pinapamay ka try ganin na no pamay ka try ganin ako mo na ipan. Ay ipan. Yes. Apa yes mayroon na.
I know you can do it, Kayo. I believe in you. Please try to make it perfect.
Awan ini iban hindi pag-ibig gamay mo.
Okay, wait. I will transfer it here.
Nakikipag ko, gumawa man ako sa ko. Nakikipag ko, gumawa man. Nakikipag ko, gumawa man, ba't yung mga kulik o wifi, pero pwede ko gamitan ng butang simpan, pero kulik mo wifi, internet, okay lang ka ng kuhaan, okay na gamitin, okay ng kuhaan, dita, para maka-internet, dita, pero kulik mo wifi,
Kayo, I will go to the CR for a while. I will go to the bathroom. Okay, you try to answer.
Hello. Magamit niya pero kuan data lang. Magamit ng data. Kailangan mo magamit kung maka-internet kung na kay data pero connect mo mga wifi dili daw ang yung ano internet ang daw mo connect ng wifi. Dili wifi na inyo Oh. Anyway, may wifi dili. Ayun, dili mo monthly. Monthly niya sa wifi ninyo. Ayun, hindi mo hindi gusto ko, pwede na maka-wifi. Wala lang. Pag online teaching, si Andre, online teaching, kita sa teaching, bulan. Oo. Wala lang. Wala, naman siya, gisod lang niya, kuhan, online. Gisod lang, pagdo. Mudawat, pagkanang, kanang dini, nandito kuhan. Ay, dini, wait, kanang education ba mo? Bata, pwede, hindi, pagdo. Total ba, English. Sa online tutor. Mga pan, Vietnamese yung mga bata. Oh, Vietnamese yung bata.
Okay, I know you can do it, Keo.
Kung saan kayo po sa buwan. Oh. May kung paano mo na yan? Paano mo na yan? Walang napulo ng nakabata yung itunduan. Hindi. Tanan na. So, murag kung siguro bayad. 200 ba siguro na iya? 100 per 40 minutes. Oh, 40 minutos. 200 ba siguro? Yeah. So, napulo kabata na yung itunduan. Tagaan pa siya estudyante yun. Hindi na siya madawat kay wala na ikon. Wala na yung bakante siya bukas kay nagpam siya. Nag-medicine ko na siya ng sinahan. Ako kalagi Saudi yung kaysa yung sinahan. Saudi siya yung sinahan kay mga kanuman, baby rin siguro siya sa yung sinahan. Na yung tutor yung Saudi sa ko. Ako pa yung tutor nga. Ilara ka oras. Mike. Wow. Wala ka nagpanda kanang kumatasan.
Wow, almost done. Very good, Keo.
Ako kay tamnan na ko kung gutang gamay sa bukid ng kuan. Dorian. So, now kay gutang gamay dito mo ang kamera. Sila spectrometer kung tamnan ng kuan. Dorian. Wala mo tayong kuan dito sa saging. Oo, kita dyan mo ni saging dito sa bukid. Yan ko sa to lagi saging. Wow, ako ka kuan. Palit yung mga kuan na ng kinta. Kung sa muli, ipalit ni nanay. Oo, bisatan. Oo, binangay. Ako ipalit. Kinta, kilo. Binangay. Tundan mo, kumano kayo yung papalit. Tundan dito. Tundan. Binangay dito mo ipalit. Yan, ewan, saging yan. Ha? Ewan, saging sa inyo.
Okay, Keo, are you done?
Okay, saging dyan.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, very good. Let's see how good my KU is. Okay, here for number 1, we have here, I will be the one to read. Okay, here, tang. Because of that, okay, number 1, you cannot travel by railway until tomorrow. What's your answer? Where's your answer for number 1? I didn't see it. Where is it?
Because I don't know.
Okay, the answer is letter D. It's no trains today because of a very high winds. And number 2 here, so we have children and parents travel for less with this. What is your answer, Keo? Oh, letter C. Let's see. Oh, why it's so many? Okay.
Because I want.
Okay, here. Thanks, teacher. Okay, letter C. Is your answer correct? Letter C?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. You must pay before you travel on this. You must pay before you travel on this. What's that? Letter G. Is it correct? Yeah, very good. And number
See?
4.
Only
4.
adult but to go in there. In here.
Yeah. Only adults pay to go in here. Okay, what's your answer? Yeah, very good. Good job, Kale. Number 5. This is late because of the bad weather. What's your answer for number 5?
F.
Let's see. Oh, very good again. Okay. Okay, very good. Yeah, you've got 5 points. Okay, where is my notebook? Okay, you add there 5 points. 1, 1, 2, 1 plus 5. Okay, 48 plus 1. Okay.
8 points is
49. Yeah, it's 49. Okay, now, wow, very good, Kayo. Doing a great job. Kayo, okay, here. Okay, where is it? I lost it. Okay, you will have to read the sentences about working as a waitress. You know what is waitress, Kayo? You know what is
yes,
waitress?
the girl.
Yeah. The girl who?
Yes. Like waiter, but it's a girl.
Very good. That's what I like you because you're very good in comprehending words like waitress. Waitress is a girl who serve food in the restaurant. For a boy, it's waiter. Very good. So we have here, kindly choose the best answer. Okay. Please make it perfect again. Okay, go Kiyo boy. Please encircle.
Mao, ganun rin mga tayo tayo. Wow, nasi matoy, okay, matoy, kiwa, problema sa matoy. Yung nasi matoy.
Okay.
Okay, let's see your answer, Mikeo. Okay, first, let us see how very good you are. Indira has to blank the customers and take them to a table. What is that? Your answer is what?
Welcome.
Welcome. Thanks. Oh, wait for a while. Yeah, very good. Welcome. Number 7, Kayo. The customers blank. What do you
Choose.
want to eat? And Indira write it down in a notebook.
Choose.
Choose. Very good. Indira can blank any extra money which the customers leave for her on the table. What's your answer?
Check.
Oh, it's skip! My God! Okay, number 9. If Indira has a lunch at the restaurant, she doesn't have to blank for her food. Oh my God! She doesn't have to pay. Wow. 10. In a few years, Indira blanked to study food science at university. Hopes. Oh, you've got 3 points. Yay! Are you going to use or save the bonus?
Save.
Oh, save, teacher Ann. Okay. Plus 1, you've got 50 bonus plus 3 points. Wow. Okay, here. 11 to 15. Now, please make it perfect again. Oh my God, how many Hot Wheels do I have? So many.
Yeah.
Yeah, teacher. Yeah, teacher. Okay, I will find ways for that. Yeah. Why?
When you quickly come here, you don't have to get more money because I don't have again that I will.
Oh, don't worry. I will find ways. I can send you Hot Wheels there. Oh, I will find ways for that. Okay? And you're excited. I will find ways. Okay? Yay! I know you will be very happy. Okay? Okay, go. Make it perfect.
Okay.
Okay, you have your answers? Okay, number 1. Which shirt do you prefer? Letter A. Oh, very good.
Yeah.
David isn't very well. Why? Okay, what's the answer?
What's the matter with him?
Yes, what's the matter with him? Okay, letter A. How do you know my sister?
Well, I meet outside the cinema.
Well, very good, Kayo. Well, meet outside the cinema. I hope Andrew will get her soon. I'm sure he will. Very good. Oh, okay. Who phoned me?
Yes.
Who phoned me?
Sorry, I forgot to ask.
Okay, sorry, teacher. I forgot to ask. Okay, very good. Sorry, teacher. I forgot to ask. Yeah, you've got 4 points. Yay. Yay, and 51 bonus.
Yeah.
Okay, you
Plus 2 equal 1.
Okay, now here. Complete the conversation between the two friends about a camping trip. What does Mike say to Steve? Okay, that's 16 to 20. Make it perfect.
Okay.
Yung,
Hindi panawag ng nurse. Tagadlaw.
I don't know.
oh, you try. I know you can do it. I believe in you as always.
Oh, can I speak?
Okay, you can speak. Okay.
You all sleep. I am Mike. Okay, now you ask.
Okay. I'm going camping with some friends. What's your answer?
Really? Are you going to the beach?
Let's see. Oh, we're here. Very good. 1 point. Not this year. We're going to the forest.
It's a long way to the forest.
Oh, it's letter F. How long are you going to stay? About a month. I think. Would you like to come with us?
Yeah. Oh. Lagi gamay lang kuan. Positive na yun.
I'm afraid I can't. I'm busy.
Okay. Letter O. I'd love to, but I haven't got a 10th.
Wow.
Okay, what's your answer for number 19?
Three.
E, what's that? Letter? That doesn't matter. I have an extra one you can use. What's your answer?
No.
I have extra one. You can use Kayo. What's that?
I'm afraid I can't. I'm busy.
Oh, letter C. Thanks very much, Steve. Oh, have you ever been camping before?
Only once when I very young.
Very young, very good. So you got 3 points, Kayo. You will use your bonus or save it?
Save it.
Plus 3. Very good.
No.
Okay, here I will be showing you the one that is quite easy. I will show you the one which is easy. Okay, this one. Now in part 6, you will have to read the description of some words about clothes. Okay. Here, Kayo, it's time for you to write the correct answer. That's very easy.
Teacher, can I speak?
36.
Can I speak?
Okay.
Some boy and girl wear this as school uniform.
Yeah, uniform. Very good. 37.
Wow. What did you say?
This is often a shirt that you put pants in it.
What's the answer? This is up in the shirt. It's in the shirt like this. And you can put pants in it. What's that? It's?
Okay.
Oh, very good. People wear this in the winter when they go outside.
What did you say?
Coat.
Coat. This is the top part of a suit for men and women.
Jean.
Yeah. Okay. Jacket. Top. Okay. To wear this on your feet, it's inside your shoes.
Sock.
Socks. Okay. Very good. You've got 4 correct answer. Write it down. 4.
Sige, bye.
Okay, next, this one, you will have to write it Just write anything that you think is correct. Okay. I will not force you to make it perfect as long as you have to answer this one. Go, Kyo. Please write the answer only. Do not make it fast. This is, I guess, the last activity that we had.
Last. Okay.
Make it perfect.
Teacher, can I speak?
You ready,
Okay.
Kyo?
I will have no time, then I will use all my bonus.
Bonus. Do not use the bonus. It's you have to use a lot of bonus here. Just right. I know you can do it. Please do it. I know you can do it. I believe in you.
I send this email for you from friend. Can I speak? Can I speak, teacher?
Okay. Wait for a while. Okay, speak. Jeff, there's a load. Okay. It takes in a while. Okay, here, number 1. Okay, you read and give me the answer. Okay. Tawag ikili. Okay. Hi,
I send
Paul.
this email for you, friend.
Oh, wait for a while. Okay, you read now. You read and answer. Okay, go. Hi, Paul.
Hi, Paul. I send this email for you from French. I'm have an wait. Is there a 0?
No, 0. The answer of 0 kay 4. That's your correct.
I having an excellent time in Liaison and learning a lot of new words from my language course.
Very good.
I'm staying with my family there to teenage.
Yeah, teenage boys.
Teenager boys.
And
one of them.
Very good, Gio.
Has got a computer in his room. I can send you an email every day, so if they've also got a pool in the garden, and after college I often go swimming.
Very good. And for the
everything at home
very good.
Write to me.
Very good. Wow, you got perfect. Yay. Okay, correct all. You've got 10 points. Okay, you check your correct. You check.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I have 11 points.
Okay. Okay, you add all your correct scores. And you add your bonus.
Okay.
You add your bonus, Kayo. You add your bonus.
Bonus?
Oh, you add. Well, how many scores do you have right now?
1,172.
No, 1,151. Look at that one. Did you check it properly?
Yes.
Okay, 1,151.
I think it's 72.
Okay, 5 plus 3 plus 4 plus 3 plus 4 plus 11. Okay, and your bonus is 5.
5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4 plus
3 plus 4 plus 11. Okay, you add.
172.
1,000. Okay, Kyo, 17, 20, 29. Then, okay, Kyo, 1,100.
32.
Okay. Okay, and how about your bonus? How many bonus do you have?
No.
Oh, you've got 54 bonus. Wow, very good. 54 bonus.
A lot.
A lot, teacher. Okay. So do you have question for teacher Anne?
I don't have any questions.
Okay, so for now, teacher will say goodbye to you, boy.
Goodbye.
See you
teacher.
tomorrow.
Kailan ka mo tayo na mama?